Hello friends, welcome back to Program Keeda. Today we are starting a new Flutter MVVM playlist where we will build a user registration app from the scratch. We will use MVVM architecture, provider for the state management, and Hive as a local database. In this video, I will explain how the app flow work and what is a MVVM is a real project and explain in simply. Even if you are the beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything in step by step. uh, what will what we will learn today in this. By the end of this video we will clearly understand how the app flow works, what are the models of view and view model, and in the real Flutter projects, and how will we the store and retrieve the user data using a Hive database. And this video is very important because it sets up the foundation of the whole playlist. The app flow explain. In this, let's understand the data flow inside the app step by step in flow. User enter the data in UI, that is view model view. UI send the data to the view model. View model is validate and the input data. If valid, the view model save the data in Hive, and the view model is notify the UI to UI update automatically and display the register user. This is a clean flow is exactly that MVVM architecture is about. What is MVVM? Now let's understand the MVVM is a very simple word. M is a model, V is a view, and VM is a view model. It is a clean architecture and easy to manage and industry standard. Industry standard. What is a model? Model is just a data structure in our app. User model contains in our app. User model is a model contains the data for the name, email, mobile number, hold the data only, no UI or logics. For the model is does not know anything about a UI or logic. It's only to hold the data. Next is view. View is the UI screen. Example is a registration user screen, user list screen, user dashboard screen. View is a job is show the data, take a user input and listen to the view model. The view is never written in a business logic. It is just a display a data for a user to show a UI screen. Nantar, next is view model. View model is the brain of the app. Like a view model is a handle the button click, input validation, saving a data, and fetch a data from the Hive database. Notify the view model to change the data and connect to view and model. That is a uh, view model to take to it. It is a talk to a model and the view is update automatically. That's why the MVM make your app is clean and scalable and testable. What is provider? Next is what is provider. Provider is a state management to connect and view model and beginner friendly, and it is a professional. We are using a provider and Hive for the provider is a state management, easy to connect and easily for a beginner and professional app use. What is Hive? Hive is a local database. It is a very fast and lightweight, no SQL query, and it is ideally for the storing a structured data like key value pair in perfectly storing a simple structured data like user. This is a common very industry ready and is a bigger friendly for uh, easy to understand. In next is a playlist for this roadmap. uh, After this video the playlist will be cover the step by step. In first video is a project setup and folder structure. Next is implementing a MVVM architecture in Flutter, creating a user model, provider setup for the state management, integration for the Hive database, and registration screen logic, showing a data in the list view, clean code and best practice. By the end of this playlist, we will build a full production ready app from the scratch. If you want to learn Flutter the right way, like this video, subscribe to Programming Keeda and turn on notification and for the bell icon. The next video will in a playlist Flutter MVVM project setups and folder structure.